Hello, friends, and welcome to Story Time. Today we're going to be reading the book Skeleton Hiccups. This book is written by Margery Cuyler and illustrated by S.D. Schindler. So this is the front cover, this is the back cover, and this is the spine. And the spine says Skeleton Hiccups. Okay, friends, let's get started. Skeleton Hiccups. Hic. Skeleton Hiccups. This is the title page. Skeleton woke up. Hic, hic, hic. Had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Oh my goodness, look at, he has a table that has a little snake on it. And he has a bed that has a bat design. And here it says R.I.P. It's kind of like a tombstone. Took a shower. Hic, hic, hic. Look, the soap disappeared. The water is going elsewhere. What happened here? What is going on? And take a look at his slippers. It looks like his slippers look like werewolves. He brushed his teeth. Hic, hic, hic. What happened to his jaw? His jawbone just disappeared, just flew out of his mouth. Polished his bones. Hic, hic, hic. Look, it says Ghost White Bone Polish. Carved a pumpkin. Hic, hic, hic. He really has the hiccups, doesn't he? Raked some leaves. Hic, hic, hic. Must be hard to rake leaves when you're stuck with the hiccups all day. Played with Ghost. Hic, hic, hic. Oh no, still has the hiccups while he's trying to play some catch. Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. Hic, 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 hic. Uh-oh, I don't think that helped, did it? Eat some sugar. Hic, hic, hic. What happened to the sugar? It went all the way down out of his body because he doesn't really have a body. He just has some bones. He can't digest food like a person. Press your fingers. Hic, hic, hic. Over your eyeballs. Hic, hic, hic. That doesn't really make sense because the skeleton doesn't even have eyeballs. He just has some sockets in his skeleton. Drink some water. Hic, hic, hic. Upside down. Uh-oh, look, the words are upside down. Hic, hic, hic. Turned upside down. And when he drinks water upside down, the water just comes out of his eyeballs, or his place where his eyes were. Ghost made a face. Hic, hic, hic. He's trying to scare the skeleton, but I don't think it worked. He said, boo, to Skeleton. Hic, hic, hic. That didn't scare him at all. Nothing worked. Hic, hic, hic. The hiccups stayed. Hic, hic, hic. Then Ghost, well, he got smart. Hic, hic, hic. He found a mirror. Hic, hic, hic. Held it up. Hic, hic, hic. Skeleton screamed. He was looking at his own reflection, and that was really scary to him. Oh my goodness, look at all the letters of the word hic. The hiccups are all over the place. Hic, hic, hic. They're moving around. They're jumping up. Maybe the hiccups are scared. The Hiccups left. Oh my goodness, they left. Here they're leaving. Hic, hic, hic. Do you see how they're getting a little bit smaller? They jumped away. Oh, look, they're all jumping. Jump, jump, jumping. Hic, hic, hic. Hooray. The end. So this book was called Skeleton Hiccups. Thanks for joining me for Storytime, friends, and I'll see you next time.